Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, share and like my videos if you enjoy them. Admins can create custom app setup policies to allow or block users from uploading custom apps to Teams, user pinning allow or block, and we can arrange the pinned apps. An app setup policy can be applied to all users in the organization or to a specific group of users. In the Teams Admin Center, go to Teams Apps, then select Setup Policies and choose Add under Manage Policies. You can select the options upon your company requirements. Here I am not allowing users to upload custom app and user can't pin the apps which he requirement. All will be managed from Teams Admin Center. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, please support.